Here's a few examples of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. A couple of the pieces are Koroit. The other couple of pieces I've just thrown in. This big piece in particular I just threw in. It's only very thin, as you can see. Got nice colour in the middle there, but by the time you cut it out, you won't end up with a lot. Razor sharp, so be careful when you're playing with this stuff. This piece, a bit of Koroit, being ground down a bit, but I think possibly grind this down some more and you might end up with a couple of stones. Maybe treat it as a stone here already, and then go down onto these a bit more. Nothing much in the back, that's just the natural boulder. Here's a piece of Koroit with nice patterns and colours in it. Ready to finish shaping. Probably saw it down through there where my thumb is. Have that as the face. Lucky last is basically I just threw that in. There's a little bit of colour up the top. On the end here there's a little bit. That's a freebie. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.